Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something special that's about to shake up the watch industry. Timex has just unveiled their 2026 lineup, and trust me, these aren't your grandfather's timepieces anymore. From rugged field watches to sophisticated dress pieces, Timex is proving once again why they've been America's favorite watch brand for over a century. We're counting down the top 10 releases that are guaranteed to dominate wrists everywhere this year. Whether you're a serious collector or just looking for that perfect everyday watch, there's something here for everyone. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's explore what makes these watches absolute game changers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our watch reviews. Let's get started. Number 10, Timex Expedition Northfield Chronograph. The Expedition Northfield Chronograph kicks off our list with serious outdoor credentials that'll make any adventure enthusiast take notice. This rugged timepiece features a 42mm stainless steel case that's built to withstand whatever nature throws your way, whether you're hiking mountain trails or exploring urban jungles. The chronograph function offers precise timing capabilities with 3 subdials that provide stopwatch functionality, perfect for tracking your adventures down to the second. Timex equipped this beast with their reliable quartz movement, ensuring accuracy without the maintenance headaches of mechanical watches. The dial comes in multiple colorways including classic black, military green, and desert tan, each paired with contrasting subdials for excellent legibility. Water resistance reaches 100 meters, meaning rain, splashes, and shallow swimming won't faze this workhorse. The domed mineral crystal adds vintage charm while protecting against scratches during daily wear. Timex includes both a rugged fabric strap and leather option, letting you switch styles based on your activity. The Indiglo nightlight remains a signature feature, illuminating the entire dial with a single button press for nighttime readability. Priced around $150, this chronograph delivers premium features without the premium price tag that competitors demand. It's the perfect entry point for anyone wanting chronograph functionality combined with genuine adventure-ready durability that won't break the bank. Number 9, Timex Marlin Hand Wound. Coming in at number 9, the Marlin Hand Wound represents Timex's masterful blend of vintage aesthetics and modern reliability that watch enthusiasts absolutely adore. This elegant dress watch revives the classic Marlin design from the 1960s, featuring a slim 34mm case that wears beautifully on any wrist size and slips effortlessly under dress shirt cuffs. The hand wound mechanical movement brings traditional watchmaking rituals into your daily routine, requiring you to wind the crown each morning for that intimate connection with your timepiece. Timex chose a domed acrylic crystal that perfectly captures the vintage character, creating slight distortion at angles just like original mid-century watches displayed. The minimalist dial showcases simple stick indices and elegant Dauphine hands, creating a clean face that exudes sophisticated simplicity and timeless class. Available in stunning colorways including champagne gold, deep blue, and classic silver, each variation pairs with genuine leather straps that develop beautiful patina over time. The slim 10mm case height makes this watch practically disappear on your wrist, offering comfort that modern chunky watches simply cannot match. Water resistance sits at 30 meters, suitable for daily splashes but not swimming, which is appropriate for a dress watch of this caliber. The exhibition case back reveals the mechanical movement, letting you admire the intricate gears and balance wheel as they work their mechanical magic. At approximately $200, the Marlin Hand Wound offers genuine mechanical watchmaking heritage at a fraction of what Swiss brands charge for similar pieces. Number 8, Timex Waterbury Traditional GMT. The Waterbury Traditional GMT lands at number 8, bringing serious travel functionality wrapped in a classic design that appeals to both collectors and frequent flyers alike. This sophisticated traveler features a 40mm case that strikes the perfect balance between presence and wearability, making it suitable for both business meetings and weekend getaways. The GMT complication displays a second time zone via a dedicated 24-hour hand and rotating bezel, essential for anyone who regularly communicates across international borders. Timex powers this watch with a reliable quartz GMT movement, delivering accurate timekeeping across multiple zones without the complexity and cost of mechanical GMT movements. The dial design shows clear vintage inspiration with applied indices, a date window at 3 o'clock, and excellent contrast for instant readability. Multiple colorways include black and blue bezels, navy sunburst dials, and classic cream variants, each offering distinct personality while maintaining professional versatility. The stainless steel bracelet features solid links and a secure clasp, though Timex also offers leather strap versions for those preferring a softer look. Water resistance reaches 50 meters, handling daily water exposure though not suitable for swimming, which is perfectly adequate for a travel watch. The domed mineral crystal adds vintage character, while the GMT functionality proves genuinely useful rather than being merely decorative like some competitors offer. Priced around $180, this GMT punches well above its weight class, delivering functionality that typically costs 5 times more from established Swiss manufacturers. Number 7. Timex Q Timex Reissue. At lucky number 7, the Q Timex Reissue captures lightning in a bottle by reviving one of Timex's most beloved designs from the 1970s with remarkable authenticity. This bold diver features a distinctive 38mm cushion case that immediately transports you back to the golden age of tool watches when functionality trumped fashion. The battery hatch design on the caseback represents authentic 1970s engineering, allowing battery changes without compromising water resistance, a clever solution that modern watches often overlook. Timex equipped this reissue with a reliable quartz movement, housed in a case offering 50 meters of water resistance, suitable for swimming and snorkeling adventures. The rotating bezel clicks satisfyingly through its 60-minute scale, featuring a distinctive design that stands out among today's homogeneous diver bezels flooding the market. Dial options include vibrant colorways like Pepsi Blue and Red, classic Batman Black and Blue, plus solid colors that each capture 70s exuberance perfectly. The domed acrylic crystal creates wonderful vintage distortion and occasionally catches light in ways that flat sapphire simply cannot replicate, adding genuine period-correct character. Timex includes a stainless steel bracelet with vintage-style rivets that flexes comfortably while maintaining that retro aesthetic throughout every detail. The Indiglo backlight ensures modern convenience despite the vintage inspiration, proving Timex balanced nostalgia with practicality beautifully. At roughly $180, this reissue delivers authentic vintage vibes without the lottery-like pricing and questionable condition of actual vintage pieces from the 70s. Number 6. Timex Expedition Scout. The Expedition Scout claims the number 6 spot as the ultimate everyday field watch that combines military inspiration with civilian-friendly wearability that anyone can appreciate. This no-nonsense timepiece features a 40mm case that works perfectly on any wrist, whether you're hiking trails or heading to the office for another workday. Timex built this watch with genuine outdoor credentials, including 100 meters of water resistance, ensuring it handles rain, mud, and accidental submersion without missing a beat. The quartz movement delivers reliable timekeeping that requires minimal maintenance, just a battery swap every few years, making it perfect for those who want accuracy without fuss. The dial showcases large Arabic numerals and a clean date window, prioritizing legibility above all else, because a field watch that's hard to read defeats its entire purpose. Multiple color combinations include military green, desert tan, black, and even special edition collaborations that keep this lineup fresh and exciting year after year. Timex includes interchangeable straps in both fabric and leather, letting you customize the look based on your activity or mood without requiring tools. The quick-release spring bars make swapping straps a 30-second operation, encouraging experimentation with different styles throughout the week. Indiglo illumination covers the entire dial in signature blue-green glow, making nighttime reading effortless even in complete darkness without fumbling for buttons. At just $45, the Expedition Scout represents unbeatable value, offering features and reliability that watches costing 3 times more struggle to match convincingly. Number 5. Timex Ironman. Breaking into our top 5, the Timex Ironman has been the undisputed champion of sports watches for decades, and the 2026 edition proves exactly why it maintains that legendary status. This digital powerhouse was born from Timex's partnership with the grueling Ironman triathlon, creating a watch that athletes worldwide trust when every second counts during competition. The resin case offers incredible durability while keeping weight minimal, crucial for athletes who don't want unnecessary bulk slowing them down during training runs or races. Timex packed this watch with features athletes actually need, including a 100-lap memory, multiple interval timers, and customizable alarms that help structure intense training sessions effectively. The digital display remains perfectly readable even in harsh sunlight, using high-contrast LCD technology that doesn't wash out when you're squinting against glare during noon runs. Water resistance reaches 100 meters, meaning swimmers can track laps without worry, and the quick-dry resin strap prevents that annoying wet strap feeling after workouts. The Indiglow nightlight illuminates the entire display brilliantly, essential for early morning or late evening training sessions when natural light isn't cooperating with your schedule. Multiple colorways range from classic black to vibrant neon options, letting athletes express personality while maintaining that serious athletic credibility the Ironman name carries. The 2026 models introduce improved battery life extending beyond 5 years with typical use, reducing the hassle of frequent battery replacements during training cycles. Priced around $50, the Ironman delivers professional-grade athletic features at a fraction of what specialized sports watch brands demand for similar functionality. Number 4. Timex Weekender. The Weekender secures the number 4 position as perhaps the most versatile watch in Timex's entire lineup, beloved by casual wearers and serious collectors alike for good reason. This 38mm timepiece pioneered the modern affordable watch movement, proving that style doesn't require mortgage-level investments, just smart design and honest manufacturing. The clean dial features easy-to-read Arabic numerals and simple hands, creating a canvas that works equally well with suits, jeans, or athletic wear without ever feeling out of place. Timex designed the Weekender with interchangeable NATO and leather straps, spawning an entire ecosystem of affordable strap options that let you completely transform the watch's personality instantly. The reliable quartz movement keeps accurate time while the mineral crystal resists daily scratches, ensuring this watch maintains its good looks through years of regular wear. Available in countless dial and case color combinations including rose gold, chrome, brass, and black, there's genuinely a Weekender for every possible style preference and wardrobe. The famous Timex tick provides audible feedback that some find charming while others consider it character. Either way, it's distinctly Timex through and through. Water resistance reaches 30 meters, handling splashes and rain but not swimming, which is perfectly appropriate for a casual lifestyle watch of this nature. The Indiglow nightlight remains as useful as ever, illuminating the dial completely for easy nighttime reading without disturbing sleeping partners with bright phone screens. At merely $40, the Weekender represents the absolute best value in watchmaking today, offering style, reliability, and versatility that punches absurdly above its lightweight price point. Number 3. Timex Easyreader. Claiming the bronze medal at number 3, the Easyreader lives up to its name with exceptional legibility that makes telling time effortless for anyone, regardless of age or vision quality. This thoughtfully designed watch features high-contrast dials with bold numerals and thick hands, eliminating the squinting and guessing that plague many overly stylish but impractical watch designs. Timex offers the Easyreader in various sizes, including 38mm and 42mm options, ensuring comfortable fit whether you prefer traditional sizing or more contemporary proportions on your wrist. The expansion band model provides incredible convenience for those who dislike dealing with buckles and clasps, simply stretching over your hand for easy on and off throughout the day. Traditional leather strap versions offer classic style for those who prefer more refined aesthetics, while maintaining that same exceptional readability that defines this entire collection. The reliable quartz movement ensures you'll never miss appointments, keeping accurate time with minimal maintenance beyond an occasional battery replacement every few years. Date windows appear clearly marked on most models, positioned where they enhance rather than clutter the dial's clean layout and excellent visual hierarchy. Water resistance sits at 30 meters across the range, appropriate for daily wear including hand washing and rain exposure but not suitable for swimming activities. The Indiglow backlight illuminates everything beautifully, particularly appreciated by older wearers who struggle with dim lighting conditions that make many watches practically unreadable at night. Available in numerous dial colors including white, cream, black, and blue. Number 2. Timex Expedition Field. Just missing the top spot at number 2, the Expedition Field represents the perfect synthesis of military heritage and modern everyday wearability that appeals to watch enthusiasts across all demographics. This 41mm field watch draws clear inspiration from military-issued timepieces used by soldiers throughout the 20th century. capturing that utilitarian aesthetic while adding contemporary refinements. Timex constructed this watch with a durable stainless steel or brass case paired with a scratch-resistant mineral crystal, creating a timepiece that genuinely handles daily abuse without showing immediate wear. The quartz movement provides reliable accuracy that military personnel have trusted for decades, delivering timekeeping precision without the maintenance requirements of mechanical alternatives. Water resistance reaches 50 meters, covering rain, splashes, and hand-washing confidently, though Timex doesn't recommend swimming or showering with it on your wrist. The dial features large Arabic numerals, military-style 24-hour markings, and a functional date window, prioritizing information density while maintaining excellent readability at a glance. Multiple colorways include black dial with tan strap, khaki dial with brown leather, and special edition collaborations that keep this classic design feeling fresh and relevant. The leather straps age beautifully, developing rich patina over time that adds character, while fabric NATO options provide sporty alternatives for active wear situations. Indiglo illumination bathes the entire dial in that signature blue-green glow, making nighttime reading effortless during camping trips or early morning hours before sunrise. At approximately $55, the Expedition Field delivers authentic field watch credentials at a price point that makes owning multiple variants for different occasions genuinely affordable. Number 1. Timex Harborside Coast. Taking the crown at number 1, the Timex Harborside Coast represents the brand's most exciting new direction, combining coastal style with genuine water-ready capabilities that surpass expectations dramatically. This stunning 43mm diver brings legitimate diving credentials with 200 meters of water resistance, making it suitable for actual recreational diving, not just swimming or snorkeling like many affordable alternatives. Timex engineered this watch with a screw-down crown and solid caseback construction, ensuring water stays out even during serious underwater adventures or professional water sports. The unidirectional rotating bezel features clear minute markers with a luminous pip, essential safety equipment for tracking dive times accurately when your life literally depends on knowing elapsed time. Inside ticks a reliable quartz movement that maintains accuracy underwater and on land, delivering professional dive watch functionality without the premium price tag Swiss manufacturers demand. The dial showcases applied indices with generous luminous coating alongside bold hands, ensuring visibility remains excellent even in murky water or low-light conditions at depth. Multiple colorways include classic black, vibrant blue, and sophisticated green, each paired with matching bezel inserts and coordinating dials that create cohesive, purposeful designs throughout. Timex includes both stainless steel bracelets and rubber dive straps, providing options for desk diving days and actual water adventures without requiring separate watch purchases. The screw-down crown operates smoothly while providing confidence that water ingress won't ruin your investment during enthusiastic ocean swimming or unexpected submersion. At roughly $250, the Harborside Coast delivers genuine dive watch capabilities that typically require spending 4 or 5 times more from established dive watch specialists. And there you have it, folks, Timex's incredible 2026 lineup that's about to dominate the watch world. From the affordable brilliance of the Weekender to the serious diving credentials of our number 1 pick, the Harborside Coast, Timex continues proving that great watches don't require emptying your savings account. These timepieces offer real functionality, genuine style, and that legendary Timex reliability that's kept the brand relevant for over 165 years. Whether you're shopping for your first watch or adding to an established collection, you honestly can't go wrong with any of these releases. Remember, the best watch is the one you'll actually wear, and Timex makes that choice easy with prices that let you own several for different occasions. Which of these watches caught your eye? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're adding to your collection first. If you enjoyed this countdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more watch content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our reviews. Until next time, keep your watches wound and your time well spent.